Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you most beautiful and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing recycling craft ideas for you guys. I hope so guys. You enjoy these type of craft work. I also enjoy these type of denim jeans craft ideas. These are very stunning and very unique craft work for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. So guys, always take care. These are very beautiful and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. And these are very unique and very classy collection for you guys. So thank you for watching my videos. These are very unique and very classy and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends and with your family members. And I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are best, amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So guys, follow for more details, and keep watching my videos. Remember me in your prayers. Take care, be happy. Allah Hafiz, guys.